I took an Emily Rose course, Lenormand course. And through that, I met Pamona, she took her course, but she is a reader, and she helps out in the forum. But I learned that Pamona has started a publisher or publishing company. It is called Auguries and Alchemy, and I'm going to support anyone who wants to create a publisher, which is pretty awesome. Okay. So, yeah, I bought, you can get this in hardback too, which is cool. I just got the softback? Paperback. But, I've had some bad luck with with publishers that I will not name. And so, yeah, anyone who wants to create a publishing company, that is really great. Anyway, these are her cards. She has made an oracle card. I think this is 36 cards. But yeah, it's all, I think, different birds, which I like birds. I am liking these, and the cards feel nice. They feel really nice. We have some informational cards. Okay, cool. We've got a spread here. Okay, and then we have meanings. Well, this is cool. So yeah, I will now shuffle. So our stop card is the Penguin. Soulmate, romantic union, a true partnership. Okay, stop. So in the stop position. Yeah, maybe just not like don't dwell on romance at the moment. I mean, I wouldn't say stop any kind of partnership, but I don't know. I have been seeing, like, for me, like a lot of I've been getting a lot of like hermit messages lately, so yeah, I don't know. Let's see the next card. Our start card. Wow. I have not heard of that bird. And Anhinga. Huh. That's pretty cool. That's the 11 card. Oh, okay, cool. So we've got, okay, I'm totally not even, we've got flowers too with these, so that's a neat combo. Okay, the orchid, grace and determination. Okay, reserve and strength and composure, can make it to your destination, expand your reach. Okay, so that's very positive. So start, yeah, just keep moving. Start going, and then slow down. I noticed this card going through it, and I thought it was really interesting. It is the 31 card. Okay, the tufted titmouse, the clematis mischief. Well, I don't want to slow down having fun. Slow down on mischief. Well, I mean, I'm not much into mischief, but slow down on fun. I don't know. Oh, I thought fun was a good thing, but yeah, what I'm getting here is don't think about romance. Start taking action and don't have any fun. I mean, but hey, you could also say have fun um and the appropriate time. I mean, I guess you can't have fun like all the time. But yeah, I like how these lay out. I like the visual. I definitely like the flowers in them. So yeah, here's here's the book, East SM. Go to Pamona's publishing site. Go check it out. There's the Instagram. Yeah, go support Pamona. Go support her company. Buy a book, buy a deck. Yeah, go buy the book. Buy her deck. You can get the hardback or paperback. You can also get this in a. I chose to get it in a little bag. I think you can get it in a bag, or I can't remember the. I think that was without a bag, maybe. But yeah, I chose the bag. So yeah, go to her site. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.